Welcome to the College of Nursing at Medhavi Skills University, where compassionate care meets scientific excellence and future-ready healthcare professionals are shaped through rigorous training, real-world exposure, and industry-integrated learning. At the College of Nursing, students are immersed in the essential domains of modern nursing and patient care practice. The curriculum builds strong foundations in clinical care, patient management, community health, and evidence-based healthcare procedures. Through a balanced blend of classroom learning, simulation-based practice, and hospital-integrated training, learners develop the competence, confidence, and professionalism required to thrive in diverse healthcare environments. The BSc Nursing program prepares students to become confident and competent nursing professionals equipped to meet the evolving demands of the healthcare sector. Designed with an industry-led approach, the program emphasizes comprehensive clinical nursing skills across medical, surgical, pediatric, psychiatric, and obstetric care, community health and public health nursing, critical care, and emergency nursing practices, advanced simulation labs that replicate real-life clinical scenarios, rotational hospital postings that provide hands-on experience with patients, medical equipment, and multidisciplinary healthcare teams. Alongside this, the Diploma in Patient Care Management focuses on developing skilled patient care professionals who form the backbone of effective healthcare delivery. The program equips learners with practical expertise in patient care assistance and bedside management, hospital workflows and patient coordination, infection control, hygiene and safety protocols, basic clinical procedures, and healthcare support skills. On-the-job training through hospital-integrated learning environments. As the healthcare sector continues to expand rapidly, graduates from the College of Nursing are well-positioned to access career opportunities across multi-specialty hospitals, community and primary health centers, public health and outreach programs, rehabilitation, geriatric and long-term care facilities, emergency and critical care units, home health care services, national and international healthcare organizations. At Medhavi Skills University, education is driven by a 70% skills-focused curriculum, ensuring that practical competence remains at the core of every learning experience. As the only university in Sikkim to offer paid on-the-job learning integrated directly into the academic structure, students begin building clinical confidence and professional identity from the very first semester. Committed to accessibility and inclusion, the university ensures that 100% of eligible students receive government scholarships, making quality nursing and patient care education both affordable and future-ready. Choose the College of Nursing at Medhavi Skills University, where knowledge, skill, and compassion come together to shape meaningful careers in healthcare.